Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the lighting on your videos or photos using this tool on Wing. So here I've already opened the Wing app, and if you open the home page, you'll see at the top there is this fill light tool. So you can use this tool to correct or add the lighting to your photos or videos. So let's try to use one. For example, here I'm going to just apply it into a photo. Let's find a photo first. Okay, I'm going to use this one right here. You can tap on start. Here you can do it automatically or do it manually by adjusting the brightness, warmth, and distance on the lighting. Here let's try the auto first. You can see there are some options that you can select it. There is this radiant, lighting, amethyst, lavender, rosy. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to go with lavender, for example, for the auto. Here you can always adjust the brightness at the bottom, and if you do it manually, you can click on the between overall or face, but the lighting on face only apply to the VIP users. So I'm going to just try the overall. Here you can adjust the brightness, the warmth, and the distance of the lighting. If you want to reset, just click on the reset button in here, and you can compare the before and after. Just click on save if you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.